Welcome to Dexter. My name is Alan Peppel, CEO. I look forward to meeting you soon. I'm sure you'll find Dexter to be a place where your contribution is appreciated and your work is respected. There are always two things we're trying to do here at Dexter. One is to always make a quality product, and secondly, we are always trying to exceed our customers' expectations. We made this video for you to understand the manufacturing process a little bit better. I look forward to meeting you soon and wish you the best of luck here at Dexter Russell.
Welcome to Dexter Russell, a family-owned business proudly manufacturing in Massachusetts since 1818. You're now part of a family of skilled craftsmen who produce the finest professional cutlery in the world. We will show you how our products are made from beginning to end, so you can see how you fit into the production team. We begin in the steel room, where we store a variety of cutlery steels for our manufacturing needs. A production order is sent to this area, where the steel is cut to size and the process of making a knife begins. The steel is then sent to the blanking department, where dies punch out the knife shape. Some blanking is done using sheets of steel, while others are blanked automatically using coils of steel. Stainless steel blades are hardened in a belt furnace at temperatures approaching 2,000 degrees. After the blades are hardened, they're put into a deep freeze. And finally, they are tempered in ovens to complete the heat treating process. Because the heat treating process is so crucial, blades are frequently tested to ensure the consistent specifications are maintained. Now, the blades are brought to the machine grinding department. Here, an operator loads the heat-treated blanked blades in machines that grinds a taper in the steel. A number of grinding processes on the first floor are now fully automated. These operations increase productivity while maintaining a high level of consistency. This is the area where we do specialty grinding and serrating. Here, hollow grinding is done automatically by machines, similar to the machine grinding seen earlier. Serrating machines are loaded and unloaded by operators. These grinding processes create the blade's geometry and will be the start of our knive's edge. Specialty trained personnel are required to perform hundreds of different setups. They must be proficient in maintaining the required dimensions for each item. Now that the blades have been ground, we'll travel to the second floor where we will polish the blades and begin to establish our famous Dexter Russell edge. The first step involves polishing the blades. One method of polishing requires loading a number of blades on racks, which are then lowered into the machine. Using another method, blades are polished, etched, and dried in a 3-station operation. Etching is a process for permanently marking the blades with logos and descriptions. Edge grinding is an extremely important operation, which is accomplished on a 10-station machine, which is loaded and unloaded by an operator. Some items are stone ground, which requires a great degree of hand skill. The blades are checked often to be sure that each edge has the correct angle. After finishing, blades which require cleaning go into a large washer. Baskets are first loaded with work, and then the automatic cycle moves the baskets through 4 wash and rinse tanks. Many of the finished blades are then stored in rows of bins known as blade stock. These blades will be used later in the assembly process. As the blades were being processed, handles were being prepared for assembly. Wooden handle manufacturing begins with raw lumber, which is purchased in large planks. The planks are then cut into strips. These strips are then cut into small handle-sized blocks. The process of making handles also requires several steps. First, the sides of the blocks are planed to the proper thickness. Next is the beveling of the front portion of the handle. And finally, the blocks are shaped into the outline of the handle. In this process, the operator loads and unloads a carousel-type turret. Once the handles have been shaped, precision holes are drilled to match the holes in the blades. Finally, the handles are slotted to the proper widths to fit the blades. Now the finished blades and handles are joined together in an operation called hafting. Rivets are used to join the pieces together. After the parts are assembled, handle finishing is performed to make the surfaces flush and smooth. Here, our skilled craftsmen give the handles the beautiful finish Dexter Russell is noted for. A branding process places an imprint directly on the handle. Hafting, handle finishing, and branding is quite often combined in a continuous flow manufacturing system. Handle polishing is accomplished using high-speed buffing wheels. Some items are done one at a time. Others are done in groups on racks depending on the types of pieces involved. Another form of assembly is used on certain industrial knives. Similar to hafting, the blades and handles are joined together and secured with a pin. In this department, referred to as SaniSafe, we produce a line of cutlery using polypropylene, nylon, and soft grip handles. The advantage of these handles is that they don't absorb bacteria between the handle and blade. In this assembly process, called hafting, the blade tangs are heated in small ovens. Heated, pre-slotted handles are then driven over the hot tangs, permanently bonding the parts together. To complete the hafting process, the handles and blades are sealed in heated fixtures. However, some items require sealing by hand. Some high-volume items are hafted, sealed, and etched in fully automated work centers. Both SaniSafe and wood handle cutlery require the same basic finishing operations. Most knives receive a final edging operation on specially designed honing machines. These machines produce a fine and precise edge. All cutleries require a final cleaning process. SaniSafe items are cleaned in a large automatic spray system. Wooden handle cutlery is cleaned using an ultrasonic wash method. The finished products are then unloaded and inspected. Here, trained eyes carefully search for any defects, which will not meet our high-quality standards. There are many different forms of packaging depending on the type of cutlery or market. Polybagging, like most packaging processes, is a two-person operation. One person bags and the second one boxes. Many items are sleeved individually for added protection. Some of our premium lines are shrink-wrapped on cards, which are die-cut into individual pieces. Clam packaging, like shrink wrapping, offers both added protection and appearance. All items are stored in the finished goods area. Here, shippers pull orders from shelves, which are then packed for shipment to the customer. The receiving department not only handles incoming goods, but also stores the hundreds of supplies used in our everyday manufacturing processes. In support of our operations team, we have highly dedicated professionals in engineering, tooling, and facilities engineering, all keeping our facility clean, safe, and efficient. Our office staff includes valuable support functions such as inside and field sales, accounting, customer service, marketing, purchasing, and human resources. Now that you've had an overall view of the company's operations, let's review the rich benefits available to Dexter Russell employees. Our benefits include retirement planning, medical and dental insurance, free life and sickness benefits, paid holidays, paid time off for vacations, sickness and personal time, a cash Christmas gift, service recognition program, tuition reimbursement program, employee product discounts, an employee assistance program, profit-sharing retirement plan. Dexter Russell is also a major supporter of our community, supporting the United Way, the American Cancer Society Relay for Life, and local food pantries. At Dexter Russell, we believe our people make a company. In recognition, we hold various social activities, including our Founders Day luncheon, a Christmas gathering, and annual banquet. You are now part of our team of professionals. At Dexter Russell, attitude, hard work, and pride make the difference. Welcome to the team.